Hey everyone, when you're making glass in Blender, there are a few things you need to set up in the material to get it rendering properly with the Eevee engine. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. I'm using Blender 4.5 for this tutorial, so some of the steps might look different or not work in older versions. I've set up a basic scene with a few objects. For objects that only have a single layer of geometry or just one material surface, you'll need to add a solidify modifier. Switch your viewport shading to wireframe, then select Suzanne, the monkey. Press the period key on the numpad to zoom in on the selected object. Next, go to the Generate section in the Modifiers panel and add a Solidify modifier. Set the thickness to about 0.05. After that, right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth. Now press A to select everything in the scene. When an object is highlighted in yellow, that's the active object. Orange means it's just selected. Press Ctrl+L and choose Copy Modifiers. This will copy all the modifiers from your active object to the rest of the selected objects. Head over to the Render tab and make sure the render engine is set to Eevee. Set your viewport samples to 64 and enable jittered shadows to make your shadows look better. Also enable ray tracing for improved reflections, refractions, shadows, and overall lighting. Switch your viewport shading to rendered. Then go to the World tab, click the yellow dot next to Color, and choose Environment Texture. Click Open and load an HDRI. You can find free HDRIs at polyhaven.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Select Suzanne, then drag up the divider between the timeline and the viewport to make the timeline bigger. Click on the Editor Type menu and switch it to the Shader Editor. Press N to collapse the side panel, then click New to create a new material. Rename it to Glass. Select the principled BSDF node and replace it with a glass BSDF node. Connect it to the surface input. Now we've got a basic glass material on Suzanne. Press A to select all the objects, making sure Suzanne stays the active object. Press Ctrl+L and choose Link Materials. This applies the glass material to all the selected objects. You'll notice a little 4 next to the material name. This just means 4 objects are using that material. To make the material look better, go to the Material tab and enable Ray Trace Transmission under the Surface settings. Now let's make the glass more flexible. In the Shader Editor, add a transparent BSDF and a mix shader. Plug both shaders into the mix shader. And then connect the mix shader to the surface output. With the factor set to 0, the objects are fully glass. When you turn it up to 1, they become fully transparent. We want the center of the objects to be more transparent and the edges to be more reflective. To do that, add a fresnel node. Set the IOR to about 1.2 and plug it into the factor input of the mix shader. Add a color ramp on that connection so you can control the transparency. Change the black slider to a light gray to soften the transition. Next, create a plane, scale it up by about 10, and move it underneath the objects. Give it a new material, set the base color to a light green, and lower the roughness. You'll notice the objects cast sharp shadows onto the plane. To soften those shadows, go to the World tab, and under the settings, in size, a larger angle will make the shadows appear much softer. And that's it for this tutorial on making a glass material with Eevee. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. I'd also love to hear your tips or feedback on how I can make these videos even better. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram and share your projects with me there. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials.